Okay, so all I have here is a little bit of water and a rolled up paper towel. And I'm just gonna do one of those. And I'm gonna dip it in this little puddle here, and I'm gonna ask Thomas what he thinks will happen to the paper towel.
What I think will happen to the paper towel is that once you dip it into the water is going to start climbing up the paper towel. It will start to absorb the water, and it will be soaking on the bottom, and it won't be as wet on the top, but it will be climbing up.
Okay. Okay, so I got Andrew here, and I'm just gonna ask him what he thinks will happen to the paper towel when I hold it in that puddle there for a while.
It's gonna get wet.
What do you think will happen to this paper towel if I just hold it in the puddle?
Well, I think it's gonna get wet at the bottom, and then the water will rise on the paper towel.
Okay. Okay, so the water did rise up, like you said. So how do you think it does that?
I believe that how it happens is that once you dip that into the water, basically the paper towel itself absorbs the water.
Okay, so yeah, so basically this happens because of adhesion, which is the attraction between two different substances. So you can see it rose up a lot higher than the water reached. So why do you think it rises up like that?
I don't know.
Okay. So you can see the water rose up a lot higher. So how can you explain that? What do you think happened?
I actually have no idea.
Okay, so everyone knows that the chemical formula of water is H2O. So water molecules are attracted to each other because the positive pole around the hydrogen atom bonds to the negative pole around the oxygen atom of a different water molecule. This is called hydrogen bonding. So if you can think of my hand as a water molecule, this being the oxygen and this being the two hydrogens, another water molecule would bond to it like that, and wherever this water molecule moves, it'll be pulling because they're attracted to each other. So that's why it rises up like that. So these bonds result in what's called capillary action. The water moves up the paper the same way it moves through plants. The water will keep climbing upward until gravity pulling down on the water overpowers the surface tension. So just want to thank Thomas for helping me out here.
No problem, man.